Jai Hind. Today a big day for Indian people and armed forces. Today we celebrate 21st Kargil Vijay Divas. 3rd May 1999 Kargil War was started. More than 500 Indian soldiers sacrificed their life and India win the victory. In 26 July 1999 the Kargil War was ended. Paramveer Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Kriti Chakra, Veer Chakra, Shaurya Chakra. These are the 6 gallantry awards which were won by Indian soldiers. In these 73 years, only 21 brave hearts who won India's highest gallantry award, Paramveer Chakra, 4 Kargil warriors who won Paramveer Chakra. They are a brave heart in Kargil War, Captain Vikram Batra, who was born in 9th September 1974 at Palampur, Himachal Pradesh, India. His father's name Sri Girdhari Lal Batra and his mother's name Srimati Kamal Kanta Batra. They are twins. He was elder son. He studied from DAV school, then Central School. He was completed his graduation in BSc from DAV College, Chandigarh, and he was the best NCC cadet in his college, and he was participate the Republic Day parade. He found merchant navy job, but he don't do this, and he was said to his mother he will join Indian Army. In 1996, he was go for training in IMA Dehradun. After completed his training 6 December 1997, he will join Indian Army. He belongs from 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifle Unit, and at the time of joining his rank was lieutenant and service number IC 57556. When he was captured Hankorakina, he was promoted lieutenant to captain, and at the time of capture .5140, he said the famous line, "Ye dil mange more." Pakistani soldiers said him Shershah. When he captured the .4875, that time his friend Lieutenant Anuj Nair, who was badly wounded, and when he carried his friend through his shoulder, a Pakistani soldier shot in his chest, and his last word was Jai Mataji. At the date 7 July 1999, at the age of 25 years old, he sacrificed of his life and lived the world. And in this year, he was awarded India's highest gallantry award, Paramveer Chakra, at the date of Independence Day. When he goes for Kargil, he said to his friends, "I will either come back after raising the Indian flag in victory or return wrapped in it." Another one of our brave heart, Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, who was born in 25 June 1975 at Sitapur, Uttar Pradesh, India. His father's name Sri Gopichand Pandey and mother's name Srimati Mohini Pandey. He was the first child of his parents. He started his school career from Uttar Pradesh Sainik School and then go to Rani Lakshmibai Memorial Senior Secondary School. He had a keen interest in sports with bodybuilding and boxing. In the year of 1990, he was the best NCC cadet in junior division in Uttar Pradesh Directorate. After completing intermediate exam, he go for NDA examination and he completed his graduation from NDA in 90 course. He commissioned into 1 battalion 11 Gorkha Rifles with the rank of lieutenant and service number IC 56959. At the time of SSB interview, the interviewer asked him a question, why do he join Indian Army? He immediately replied that he want to win Paramveer Chakra. His platoon come back from Siachen before Kargil War, so he got a holiday, but he said that he was go for Kargil. At first, he captured Ukarthan with his platoon and then Khaluvar. At the time, he promoted lieutenant to captain. When he captured Khaluvar, he was badly wounded, but he was destroyed 4 Pakistani bunkers, and his last word was "Na chodu." A Nepali word means "don't leave anyone." At the date 3rd July 1999, at the age of 24 years old, the brave heart was leave this world, and in this year he was awarded India's highest gallantry award, Parambir Chakra, at the date of Independence Day. Next, the youngest Parambir Chakra winner, Subedar Major Yogendra Singh Yadav, who won Parambir Chakra at the age of 19 years, was born in 10th May 1980 at Sikandarabad, Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. His father, Sri Karan Singh Yadav, who served as an Indian Army in Kuman Regiment, participating in 1965 and 71 Indo-Pak War, and mother named Srimati Santara Devi. At the age of 16 years 5 months, he joined Indian Army and commissioned in 18 Grenadiers with the rank of Grenadier and service number 2690572. Yogendra Sir enlisted with the 18 Grenadiers and was part of Ghatak Force Commando Platoon, tasked to capture 3 bunkers on Tiger Hill in the morning hours of 4th July 1999. The bunkers were situated at the top of vertical snow-covered 1,000 feet cliff face. When his platoon go for captured bunkers, the Pakistani enemy started fire with machine gun, rifle and rocket launcher. Rocket fire came from enemy bunker, killing his platoon commander and 2 others. In spite of being hit by multiple bullets in his groin and shoulder, but he climbed the remaining 60 feet and reached the top. Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav captured second bunker with his 2 fellow soldiers and killed the Pakistan. He was hit by 21 bullets, but at this moment he threw a grenade and killed Pakistani enemy and come back to Indian check post and said to their colonel about this situation. In the year of 1999, the Parambir Chakra announced for Yogendra Singh Yadav posthumously, but it was soon discovered he was recuperating in a hospital. Now, still at the age of 40 years, he is work as a junior commissioned officer, means JCO, in Indian Army. At last, the living legend Subedar Sanjay Kumar, who was born in 3rd March 1976 at Bilaspur district, Himachal Pradesh, India. His father's name Sri Durga Ram. He studied from Government Senior Secondary School, Kalol, Bilaspur. Sanjay Kumar worked as a taxi driver for a private cab company during the period of 1993 to 94. He appeared for Indian Army exam twice and rejected both of times, and his 3rd attempt was successful and inducted into Indian Army on 4th June 1996. After joining, he commissioned as a member of 13th Battalion, Jammu and Kashmir Rifle, and service number 13760-533. Rifleman Sanjay Kumar was the second recipient of Parambir Chakra from his unit for single operation of capturing the point 4875 in the Moskoha Valley on 4th July 1999. In ensuing hand-to-hand combat, he killed 3 of the intruders and was himself seriously injured. After injured totally by surprise, the enemy left behind a universal machine gun and started running. Rifleman Sanjay Kumar picked up the UMG and killed the fleeing enemy. Although bleeding profusely, he refused to be evacuated. In 1999, he was awarded India's highest gallantry award, Parambir Chakra. On 2nd July 2014, Subedar Sanjay Kumar became a junior commissioned officer, means JCO, of Indian Army with his promotion to Naib Subedar. Now, he is in service at the age of 44. Indian soldiers are constantly worked to save motherland and us and sacrificing their life. We salute and respect to the soldiers and martyrs. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Please like, share and comment on our video and subscribe our channel and click the bell button ताकि हमारा नया वीडियो आप तक जल्दी पहुँचे.